Okay, so today we'll be looking after what is double VLOOKUP. Okay. Now we have already seen what VLOOKUP is. How do we do VLOOKUP on particular table in different sheets in different sheets in a workbook, right? So now we'll see how do we do a double VLOOKUP. Now this can also be done in different sheets, but uh, as we are beginners and we want to see how double VLOOKUP is, so I have just taken two tables in one single sheet. But yes, we can perform double VLOOKUP in two different sheets even. Okay, so just to make it simple, we keep it in one single sheet for now. Now this is our lookup value. Suppose we need the age of Ria. Okay. Now Ria, the name Ria is in the first table and her age is in the second table. And the link between these two tables is the location. So basically, if we want to find it, how will we do it? We'll just see the name of Ria and then the location of Ria, that is Bangalore. And now we'll come here in the second table and we'll see the age of Ria by seeing the location, that is Bangalore, right? So we know now that the age of Ria is 48. But if we want this for a huge data set, so how will we proceed? So this is where we use a double VLOOKUP. Okay, so that's equal to VLOOKUP. Yeah, that's equal to VLOOKUP, and now we need the lookup value. So what should be our lookup value in this case if we need the age? Okay, so practically speaking, we need the location as a lookup value to get the answer as age, right? But we don't know the name. Like we just have the name, but our lookup value should be location to get the age. Okay, so in this case, for the to get the lookup value, we will apply a VLOOKUP function over here, and the answer of that VLOOKUP function will be our lookup value. So we will do a VLOOKUP on Ria to get the location. So we will get location as the answer of that VLOOKUP that we will write over here, and that location will be our lookup value for this second VLOOKUP. So just let us proceed. So it will be VLOOKUP, and then we need is Ria, and the table, this will be our table, comma, the column index number, that's second, as we need the location, comma, and it is always false. Okay, so this is the VLOOKUP formula that we use to get the lookup value for our second VLOOKUP. Okay, so this is this entire is our lookup value. Okay, then we come for the table array. So this will be our table array for the second VLOOKUP, comma, and the range lookup. The column index number. So what will be a column index number over here? It will be 2, right? Because we need the age, and we already have the location now by this VLOOKUP that we have provided as our lookup value, right? So we have the lookup value over here as the location. So we need the age, which is in the second column of this particular table array. So the column index number is 2, comma, and then we need an exact match, so false. And if we do enter right now, we get the answer. That is 48. We can see Ria, Bangalore, location is Bangalore over here, location Bangalore, and the age is 48. So that's how we perform a double VLOOKUP. Thank you.